Venue was the Pearl Continental Hotel, where Consul General of Russian Federation Aleksandr G. Khozin hosted a state reception dedicated to the Day of Russia. Soirée commenced with national anthems of the two countries. Speaking on the occasion, Consul General Khozin held.
Our country has been through numerous critical times and severe trials, but its people met all the challenges with dignity and honor. The increasing interaction between Russia and Pakistan, both in international and regional affairs, as well as in bilateral format, is considered as independent value. In 2018, our two-way trade turnover resulted to 732 million, which is 191 million more than in the previous 2017. However, it is not an impressive exponent so far. It does not meet the real potentiality of our cooperation.
Provincial Minister Nasir Hussain Shah said,
"For us in Pakistan, Russia has been and remains a long-standing friend and partners with whom we share a special and privileged strategic partnership.